Sun 700. It's an LCD display, LED lamp, home theater projector. Its 3.5-inch LCD display has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. That's full HD. And the total brightness of this projector is 200 ANSI lumens. One of the strongest points of it is the beautiful, amazing speakers. These are two 5-watt speakers with a subwoofer sound effect. And it also has the latest AOSP Android 9. Another advantage the Sun 700 has over many other models, many other LCD models, is that it has a very good quality lens. Check this green image. The brightness uniformity is very high. You don't see any white spots, any bright spots. This pink image as well, or this white one. The focus uniformity is also very high. Look at this picture with lots of text on it, lots of small details. So it's a 1080p model, and also everything right here, this corner, that corner, up and down, left and right, everything is well in focus and very crisp, even the smallest text. This is the launcher of the Android system, and let me show you the file explorer first. This model has 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. You can install all kinds of apps onto this projector. So there's Google Play in here, of course, and there's some preloaded apps such as Netflix, YouTube. You can download anything you want from Google Play. Another things is Miracast, AirPlay, and it also has automatic keystone adjustment. Automatic. And this is what the Sun 700 looks like. The front has a fabric mesh. This look is inspired by the Apple speaker. There's only cutouts for the lens and this logo, as well as this blue auto keystoning sensor. Then it has this really convenient handle made of silicone. On the top is the focus adjustment wheel. And the size is not very big, it's about the same. You can easily hold it in one hand. And on the back are all the ports. There's one HDMI, one USB, 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and the IR receiver, and a power button.